Welcome back, guys. So I just want to tell you the 10th item that I got for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport. And before I'll show you, I wanted to tell you the reason I got it. Well, for me, almost every car that I got, talking about from experience, you know, when you park your car at a parking lot or almost anywhere, and then you have other cars parked next to you, the thing that you always worry about, or you know that you're gonna get, is hit by a car door. You know how people open the car door and hit you. So that my 10th item I got is car door protectors panels. See right there. Yeah, they're car door protector panels, and like I said, I got them to not only for aesthetics, but you know, they have meaning to it, is to protect my car door. And the thing is, I don't have to worry about the cars that are lowered because I have my steps there, but for any other vehicles that are higher profile, when they open the door, yeah, hopefully this is the first thing that they hit. You know, I'm hoping that it doesn't hit my side door panel there, but yeah, car door protectors on both sides. All right, there it is, guys, my 10th item. Join me for my 11th item coming soon.